How to repost a story with background on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Rose, and I'm here to guide you to repost a story with background on Instagram. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Instagram app on your device, sign into your account, and then tap on your story button at top left corner. But before that, select the reel video or any post which you want to repost to your story with background on Instagram. So suppose if this is the post I want to repost, tap on the share icon, tap on add to story button. And once it is added on the section, you have to minimize this post for a while. And then you need to keep aside here. Tap on the sticker icon at top right corner. And here, you can easily choose any photo as your background image. Once you have selected, you can easily change the shape of this background image and place it anyway by holding with the fingers on the screen in this way. So once you have done that, you need to bring your real post on this section now. And then you can easily edit your background as well in this way. You need to be very careful with this kind of images to add the background. And once you have added or placed your background image, you can place your post at any side of your story on the background. So by doing so, you can tap on your story at the bottom left corner and it has been added to your story. That is how we repost our story with background. Other thing what you can do is you can simply tap on your story at top left corner of the screen. If you are not okay with that, you can tap on camera icon and tap the create button here. After that, you can press and hold to choose your own background color at the bottom right corner of the screen in this way and tap on sticker again. Tap on photo icon and you can choose any photo of your choice. And in this way also you can easily repost a story with background. So I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, like and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.